In the world of digital art, having the right tools can make all the difference between a masterpiece and a mess. That's why today we're diving into the top 5 drawing tablets for 2024, a crucial year for technological advancements in graphic design and digital illustration. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a budding artist, the perfect drawing tablet can elevate your creative process to new heights. As always, you can check the pricing for any of these products in the description below. Let's uncover which tablet will best bring your artistic visions to life. Number 5. Xencelabs Pen Tablet. Starting at number 5, the Xencelabs Pen Tablet is an excellent choice for both budding and seasoned digital artists. This tablet sets itself apart with its ergonomic design and intuitive user interface. It boasts a 10.33 by 5.8 inch active area, providing ample space for detailed work without overwhelming your desk space. The tablet's surface has a slightly textured feel that mimics the touch of paper, enhancing the drawing experience. One of the standout features of the Xencelabs Pen Tablet is its battery-free pen, which offers 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity, ensuring precision and nuanced control over line weight and opacity. The pen also supports tilt recognition, allowing for more dynamic shading techniques similar to traditional drawing tools. Additionally, this bundle includes a secondary pen with a different form factor, giving artists the flexibility to switch between tools based on comfort or the requirement of the task. The tablet is equipped with a customizable Quick Keys remote, providing shortcuts and helping streamline the creative workflow. This remote can be programmed with up to 40 different shortcuts, reducing dependency on the keyboard. The device connects via USB-C to your computer and also supports a wireless connection, offering flexibility and ease of movement around your workspace. For software compatibility, the Xencelabs Pen Tablet works seamlessly with most major drawing software, including Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and various 3D modeling software programs, making it an excellent tool for a wide range of creative tasks. This combination of ergonomic design, high functionality, and versatility makes the Xencelabs Pen Tablet a top choice for digital artists looking to elevate their creative process. Number 4. iPad Pro 12.9-inch M1. Securing the 4th spot is the iPad Pro 12.9-inch with the M1 chip, a device that blurs the lines between tablet and computer. This model is not just a drawing tablet, it's a powerhouse capable of handling complex tasks typically reserved for desktops. The iPad Pro features a stunning 12.9-inch Liquid Retina XDR display that delivers extreme dynamic range and visual clarity. This makes it an ideal choice for artists and designers who require precision and vivid colors for their work. The inclusion of the Apple M1 chip means that this iPad Pro offers extraordinary performance, with the ability to run intensive software applications effortlessly. This is especially beneficial for professional artists and designers who use sophisticated programs like Procreate, Adobe Photoshop, or Autodesk Sketchbook, which demand high processing power and graphics capabilities. Moreover, the iPad Pro supports the 2nd generation Apple Pencil, which attaches magnetically for pairing and charging. The Apple Pencil is renowned for its industry-leading precision and responsiveness, offering an almost tangible paper-like drawing experience with pressure sensitivity and tilt functionality that enhance creative control and immersion. The iPad Pro also stands out for its versatility, doubling as a full-featured multimedia device. With 4-speaker audio, 5 studio-quality microphones, and a Thunderbolt port for connecting external displays or accessories, this device is as much a portable studio as it is a drawing tablet. Its capacity for cellular connectivity ensures that artists can remain connected and collaborative from anywhere, making the iPad Pro 12.9-inch an unparalleled tool for creative professionals who value performance, versatility, and portability. Number 3. Wacom Cintiq Pro 27. Taking the 3rd spot on our list is the Wacom Cintiq Pro 27, a top-tier drawing tablet designed for professional artists and designers who demand the best in display fidelity and digital pen technology. This latest model features a 27-inch 4K 3840 by 2160 resolution display that offers a crystal-clear canvas for detailed artwork and design. The screen is also fully laminated, reducing parallax and making the pen feel closer to the paper, enhancing the natural drawing experience. The Cintiq Pro 27 is equipped with Wacom's advanced Pro Pen 2, which delivers 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity and tilt response for unmatched precision and detail. The tablet also includes a state-of-the-art optical bonding process that increases clarity while reducing glare, allowing artists to work for hours without eye strain. The color performance is exceptional as well, with 98% Adobe RGB coverage, ensuring that the colors you see are accurate and vibrant. Connectivity is a breeze with the Wacom Cintiq Pro 27, featuring USB-C ports, HDMI, and DisplayPort inputs, making it easy to connect to any setup. It also supports the Wacom Link Plus adapter for adding additional connection options. The included adjustable stand allows for multiple working angles, ensuring comfort during long sessions. This model also introduces enhanced touch controls that improve workflow and navigation around the canvas. With multi-touch gestures, you can zoom, pan, and rotate your creations intuitively. Additionally, the tablet comes with customizable express keys and a radial menu that provide quick access to shortcuts, further streamlining the creative process. For professionals looking for a top-of-the-line drawing experience, the Wacom Cintiq Pro 27 is an investment that offers unparalleled tools for creativity. Number 2, XPPen Artist Pro 16 Gen 2. The runner-up, XPPen Artist Pro 16, stands out as a formidable contender in the drawing tablet market. This second-generation model features a 15.6-inch fully laminated IPS display that not only reduces parallax but also enhances color accuracy with a 92% Adobe RGB color gamut. The screen resolution is 1920 by 1080, which provides a clear and vibrant display for intricate graphic work. What sets the XPPen Artist Pro 16 apart is its innovative red dial interface, which offers artists a unique way to adjust settings and navigate their work smoothly. The device comes with a battery-free stylus that delivers 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity and 60 degrees of tilt recognition, mirroring the natural feeling of drawing on paper. This pen also features 2 customizable buttons, allowing for quick access to frequently used commands. The XPPen Artist Pro 16 is designed with an anti-glare film, which not only protects the screen but also reduces distracting reflections, making it easier to work under various lighting conditions. Additionally, the stand provided with the tablet can be adjusted to different angles, offering ergonomic comfort for long drawing sessions. For connectivity, the tablet supports USB-C to USB-C connection, making it simple to connect directly to a PC or Mac without needing an adapter. It also includes a full-featured Type-C port, HDMI, and USB-A ports, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices and workflows. With these advanced features, the XPPen Artist Pro 16 Gen 2 provides an excellent balance of technology, comfort, and versatility, making it a prime choice for artists at all levels. Number 1, Xencelabs Pen Display 24. Claiming the top spot as the best drawing tablet of 2024 is the Xencelabs Pen Display 24. This remarkable device excels in offering a superior drawing experience with its 24-inch 4K UHD display that brings artists' visions to life with outstanding clarity and color accuracy. The display covers 99% Adobe RGB and 98% DCI-P 3-color spaces, making it an ideal choice for professionals working in high-end digital art, animation, and video post-production. What sets the Xencelabs Pen Display 24 apart is its attention to the nuances that make a significant difference in creative workflows. The tablet comes with 2 ergonomically designed pens, each offering 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity and virtually no lag, closely replicating the feel of drawing on paper. These pens are equipped with customizable buttons and an eraser, enhancing functionality and ease of use. Additionally, the device features a uniquely designed magnetic remote control with OLED display, offering quick access to frequently used shortcuts and adjustments without breaking the creative flow. The Xencelabs Pen Display 24 is built with an anti-glare etched glass screen that not only reduces eye strain, but also provides a tactile feel similar to drawing on paper. This feature, combined with the ability to adjust the color temperature and brightness, ensures comfort and accuracy during prolonged use. Connectivity is comprehensive with options including USB-C, HDMI, and DisplayPort, ensuring easy integration into any professional environment. The included adjustable stand allows for flexibility in working angles from flat to upright, catering to different drawing styles and preferences. The Xencelabs Pen Display 24 stands out for its exceptional display quality, innovative tools for artists, and ergonomic design, all of which are engineered to meet the rigorous demands of professional creators. Its blend of precision, comfort, and versatility makes it the ultimate tool for turning creative visions into reality, earning it the top spot in our list of the best drawing tablets of 2024. In conclusion, the top 5 best drawing tablets of 2024 present a varied assortment of options designed to meet the demands of artists, designers, and digital creators at every skill level. These tablets excel in precision, responsiveness, and functionality, making them exceptional choices for everything from professional graphic design to casual sketching. With state-of-the-art features and technological advancements, they represent the pinnacle of drawing tablet technology for the year 2024. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, elevate your creative capabilities with one of these top-rated drawing tablets and stay at the forefront of the digital art world.